Literally immediately after my last video where I said the DXY was looking boring, it decided to initiate one of its biggest single-day dumps in many moons. Is this the beginning of another Bitcoin explosion? And also immediately after breaching the double MA resistance here on this 1 hour chart, Bitcoin absolutely exploded to infinity, where we face a level of resistance. We're going to be looking at specific levels to look for, as the stimmies are definitely rustling some jimmies as people are deciding that Bitcoin is the hottest new trend in town. But the question is, does Bitcoin truly have what it takes to rocket itself to new unknown heights? Or is this simply a premature pumpulation before some massive dirty dumpulation? And we're gonna be taking a look at some altcoins as well. Like my yoga coach always used to say, stop opening the bathroom doors without knocking. Welcome back, everyone. I'm your host, Bingles the Clown. I'm your host, Patrick Papersworth, not to be confused with convicted criminal Patrick Peeping Tom. Guys, we have so much to be jumping into in this webisode. Holy granoli, this is quite a little move, but is this simply the result of stimmies hitting the banks and people buying lots of crypto? Or is there something much more dubious at play? So guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you absolutely get alerted when we post these time-sensitive emergency videos. And without any further ado, let's dump into these price resistance levels that we need to be looking for on these charts. Wow. So Bitcoin is in fact having a nice little burst. And when we were making our video, we were talking about a few different things, the last video we posted. But as you can see, what a massive 1 hour candle as soon as we broke this resistance level. And what we said is if we continue getting rejected off of these levels, then it is likely we're going to keep going to that other price target, which isn't off the table just yet. However, as you can see, we did not get rejected off of these double MAs, and you saw what happened immediately afterwards. Massive pumpulation all the way up to this fib level of about 59,000, which is a long-term fib level that we need to pay attention to. And as well, if we go to the 6 hour chart, you can see one of the key reasons about this was that we held the 50 moving average on the 6 hour here, and after we held it, we had a very nice blast. And this move is still in the middle, so this move is still playing out. This is not done either to the upside or the downside just yet. I think we're still in short-term price discovery here for this actual breakout. But again, we do have this, again, not super significant, but it is a bearish cross on the 4 hour chart there. Something we're going to be watching for as well. But the main thing you see where we're facing that initial resistance is this level of this Fibonacci level, which also was some support that lasted for a little over a day back here on March 13th and 14th into the 15th. And guys, this is big stuff. If we can get a daily close above 58,000, if we got a daily close exactly where we're right now, that would be golden. If we could get a daily close though above 57,500, that would also be very good. And guys, if we go to the DXY, look at this. Let's even just pull out the hourly chart. You can see the DXY was doing nothing, just complete sideways trading. And then literally within minutes of my first update today, look what happened to the DXY. 91.9 down to 91.3, which is a massive swing for the DXY, especially in a single hourly candle. And as you can see on these hourly candles, the momentum is still kind of to the downside. So we'll see how this plays out, but could this be related to the stimulus checks? As you guys know, if you've been watching, I've been saying ultimately the trajectory of the DXY is going to be going to the downside, is what I've been saying for about like, I don't know, 5-6 months at this point. So that's definitely what I expect. But yeah, I'll be interested to see if the DXY actually can hold this 21-week moving average. This is the very big test, right around 91.1, which is about 20 cents higher than we currently are. Because remember, this is the first time we've been above the 21-week in 2020, and actually the very first time since back in like May of 2021, and also the first time since May of 2020. So 10 entire months. If we successfully hold above this 21-week, that'll be one of the biggest tests that the DXY actually has completed since 10 months ago. And guys, right now, pumpage galore. We still have BAT increasing. We have PRQ, which is also pumped since my last update just a few hours ago. Still continuing up there. Again, the real blast, I think, is going to be much higher, much above $2 when it does blast. We have Chainlink, actually, because of the grayscale news, most likely. Same thing with BAT, probably. Chainlink also up over 10% today. ADA is well continuing to pump on this Coinbase listing news. I would urge caution, though, because Very often what we see when the coins actually get listed, sometimes we see dumps there. So urge caution, but again, ultimately it's probably going to keep going up. Uni's actually up a decent amount as well today, and we're getting some nice pumpage in general. And yeah, looking very bullish right now, but it all is based on Bitcoin's price action. If Bitcoin is unable to hold, and also if the DXY keeps plummeting, then Bitcoin's probably going to keep pumping. So very important to note. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications for these emergency updates, and that's it for me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.